If your videos are getting no views, this is why. You upload, you wait, and nothing happens. No clicks, no watch time, no growth. And the worst part? You start thinking, maybe it's the algorithm, maybe YouTube is against you. But it's not. Here's the truth most creators never hear. YouTube did show your video to real people, and they chose something else. That decision, in just a few seconds, is why your video dies before it ever gets a chance. Right now, your content is being tested, quietly, behind the scenes. A small group sees it, and their reaction decides everything. If they don't click, it stops. If they click but don't watch, it dies even faster. So in this video, I'm going to show you the exact test your videos are failing, why it happens, and the simple fix you can apply before your next upload to change everything. So if you've been watching from the sidelines, if you've been thinking, maybe I could do this, but I don't know where to start, stay with me. What you're about to see is not magic. It's something far more powerful. It's leverage. Let's step into it. Hi there. My name is Bob, and our channel at Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs 50 plus to learn how to master AI automation using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. What if I told you there's a tool that already knows what your audience wants to watch before you even sit down to create? And more importantly, what if it could help you build a real YouTube business, even if you're starting completely from scratch, even if you're over 50, and even if you've never made a video in your life? That's exactly what we're unpacking today. Because the biggest mistake most new creators make isn't bad lighting or terrible thumbnails. It's working blind, creating content and hoping something sticks. Today I'm walking you through TubeMagic, a YouTube automation and content research tool developed in consultation with Matt Parr, and specifically, how it works for people who are serious about building scalable, faceless YouTube channels that actually generate income. Let's get into it. So let's start with the very first thing that kills most new YouTube channels before they even get momentum: the guessing game. You sit down, you think of a topic, you make the video, you upload it, and then nothing happens. Crickets. And you repeat this painful cycle for months wondering what you're doing wrong. The AI video idea generator inside TubeMagic is built to eliminate exactly that problem. Instead of pulling ideas out of thin air, the system analyzes your niche and surfaces data-backed video concepts that are already aligned with what people are actively searching for. It identifies low-competition opportunities, meaning you're not going head-to-head with channels that have millions of subscribers. It suggests proven concept formats, the kind of structures that have already worked in your space. And it pairs all of this with high click-through rate style titles. The whole point is to take the randomness completely out of content creation and replace it with a strategic foundation that gives your videos a real fighting chance from day one. Now here's where things get really interesting. For anyone who's been putting off starting because they don't feel like a writer or don't know how to structure a video, the AI script writer generates full long-form scripts, and we're talking 8 to 15 minutes or more, built specifically for retention. That means hook-driven openings designed to grab attention in the first 30 seconds, structured body sections that keep viewers moving through your content, and natural pacing that prevents people from clicking away halfway through. These scripts are optimized for faceless voiceover content, so you never need to appear on camera. Whether your channel leans educational, storytelling, or documentary style, the system adapts to that. The speed advantage here is enormous. Instead of spending days trying to write a single script, you can move through the process in a fraction of the time, which is the foundation of a scalable content system. Let's talk about something that separates channels that grow from channels that stagnate: click-through rate. If your title and thumbnail don't stop the scroll, the best video in the world goes nowhere. TubeMagic's title and thumbnail optimization feature uses curiosity gap structuring, power word suggestions, and headline pattern modeling pulled from viral videos to help you create titles people genuinely want to click. This isn't guesswork either. These are psychological principles that Matt Parr has long discussed around how viewers make split-second decisions. You also get thumbnail text suggestions, which matter enormously because most viewers decide whether to click before they even fully read your title. Getting this right consistently is one of the highest leverage things any creator can do. Here's a reality most people skip over when starting a YouTube channel. YouTube is a search engine, and if your videos aren't findable, your growth ceiling is frustratingly low. The keyword and SEO assistance inside TubeMagic helps you understand what people are actually typing into that search bar, gives you search volume guidance, makes you aware of how competitive a particular term is, and helps you write SEO-friendly descriptions and tag your videos correctly. This is what makes evergreen content possible. Videos that keep bringing in views and subscribers for months and even years after you upload them. For anyone over 50 building toward long-term income, this is not a nice-to-have feature. It's the backbone of a sustainable strategy. Before you commit to a niche, you need to know if it's actually viable. This is where so many people waste enormous amounts of time building in a space that simply isn't profitable. The channel and niche research capabilities inside TubeMagic let you look at how similar channels are actually performing, get model-based revenue potential estimates, and identify the content models that are being repeated successfully in your space. This is the don't guess, model what works philosophy in action. You're not reinventing the wheel. You're finding the wheels that are already rolling smoothly and understanding exactly why they work, then building your own version of that system with confidence rather than hope. Finally, and this is what ties everything together into something genuinely powerful, TubeMagic supports full automation workflow. Scripts can be exported directly for voiceover artists. You can generate batches of ideas at once. The entire process is designed to be simplified and outsourced as your channel grows. This is what faceless YouTube is really about. Not just avoiding the camera, but building a content operation that doesn't depend entirely on you doing everything yourself. You become the architect of the system rather than the person grinding out every individual piece. For anyone building their first real online income stream, this is the shift that makes scaling from one channel to multiple channels genuinely realistic. Here's what I want you to take away from today. TubeMagic is not magic in the mystical sense. It's a research, ideation, and scripting tool that removes the guesswork, the bottlenecks, and the overwhelm that stop most new creators before they ever find their momentum. It's not a video editor. It's not a monetization dashboard. It doesn't replace YouTube's own analytics. What it does is give you an intelligent system for finding the right ideas, building them into compelling scripts, optimizing them for clicks and search, and setting up a workflow that can grow with you. If you're over 50 and you're serious about building a YouTube channel that actually makes money, the question isn't whether you have what it takes. The question is whether you have the right tools in your corner. Now you know what one of those tools looks like. Let's build something real. Now step back and look at what we've just unpacked. This isn't about software. It's about removing friction. The friction of not knowing what topic to choose. The friction of staring at a blank page. The friction of uploading a video and wondering if anyone will ever find it. When most people quit YouTube, they don't quit because they lack intelligence. They quit because the process feels random. Random effort produces random results, and random results destroy motivation. What TubeMagic represents, when used correctly, is a shift from randomness to repeatability. You research before you record. You script before you scramble. You optimize before you upload. You build workflows before you burn out. That is how channels scale. That is how faceless content becomes sustainable. And for those of us building something in the second half of life, sustainability matters more than hype ever will. You are not trying to impress the internet. You are trying to build an asset, an income stream, a system, a body of work that compounds. And tools like this only matter if they support that larger mission. So here is the real question. Not, is TubeMagic impressive? Not, Will this make me rich overnight? But this. Are you ready to stop guessing? Are you ready to treat YouTube like a business instead of a hobby? Because when you make that decision, everything changes. The platform stops being intimidating, the algorithm stops being mysterious, and your age stops being a liability. It becomes perspective, and perspective, when paired with systems, is powerful. Now you've seen the blueprint. The next move is yours. Let's build something real.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.